Okay, how do we finish this sentence? Why? In today's lesson, we are going to focus on dependent prepositions. What? Prepositions are little words like about, with, in, on, of. And we use these words in many different ways in English. Today, we are going to focus on prepositions that we use after adjectives. Let's look at our first example again. In this example, we have 4 different adjectives: worried, bored, angry, and fed up. After these adjectives, we have a preposition: about, with, and with. There are many different prepositions that we use after adjectives in English, but today we are going to focus more on the words about and with. Okay, so when do I use the word about and when do I use the word with? I'm sorry, but there is no rule that I can give you. This is something you need to remember, and the best way is practice, practice, practice. So, let's practice. We use the word about after the adjectives excited, sorry, and worried. We use the word with after the adjectives bored, fed up, obsessed, and pleased. Before we look at more sentence examples, let's talk about the meaning of these adjectives. Fed up. Fed up in English means that you cannot continue anymore. I am fed up with my job. That means I don't want to do my job anymore. Obsessed? Obsessed means that you focus on something or someone too much. She is obsessed with that band. She listens to their music all day, every day. She doesn't do many other things. Her whole life is listening to that band. She is obsessed. And pleased is another way to say, I'm happy. Okay, now that we talked about some of the meanings, let's look at some examples. Okay, here are 3 example sentences. Question: what preposition do I need to finish these sentences? Answer: she is obsessed with that movie. She has seen it 10 times. I am bored with reading and watching TV. I want to go outside. I am fed up with her boyfriend. Tell him to leave. In all of these sentences, with is the preposition I need. Obsessed with, bored with, fed up with. Let's look at some more examples. Here are 3 more sentences. What words finish these sentences? Answer: I am excited about her trip next month. Maybe she'll meet a new boy. She is worried about the government's new plans. but he is pleased with the new government. I'm sorry about the game. I know you really wanted to win. Excited about, worried about, pleased with, sorry about. In these examples, the preposition I use, with or about, needs to match or connect with the adjective before. In sentence number 2, for example, I used about because worried, and I used with because pleased. Okay, teacher, what about the word angry? You used angry at the beginning of this video. Does angry connect with? Sometimes. Angry is special because we can say angry with and angry about. So, what is the difference? We use angry about when we are talking about something. We use angry with when we are talking about another person. For example, I am angry about the amount of homework I have. It's too much. And I am angry with the teacher because she gave too much homework. Angry about the homework and angry with the teacher. Of course, we can change the word angry to mad and everything is the same. One more thing. When we use the word angry or mad, it is very common to use the preposition at. We use this the same as with. I am angry at another person. If I'm talking about a thing, I will still use about. I am mad at you. You didn't clean the dishes. You are mad about the dishes? Yes, I am angry about the dishes and I am mad at you. In this example, we use at because we are talking about a person, and we use about when we are talking about a thing. Okay, quick review. Dependent prepositions in English connect a preposition and an adjective. Different prepositions connect with different adjectives. Excited about, pleased with, bored with, worried about. Some adjectives can connect with two different prepositions. Angry with you, angry at you, angry about the dishes. I hope the examples in this video helped you understand dependent prepositions. And for more practice, I recommend watching many movies in English with the subtitles on. But remember, put the subtitles in English also. The more English you hear and read, the more dependent prepositions you will remember. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sam. I'll see you soon.